A young seagull stood on a tall cliff. Below him was the vast blue sea. It looked very far away. The young seagull felt scared. He thought, "My wings are too weak. I cannot fly." His brothers and sister were flying happily. His family called him loudly, "Come fly with us." But he stayed still. He was too afraid to move. His brothers and sister soared over the sea. The young seagull watched them close his eyes and wished he could fly too. The next day, his family left him alone on the cliff. He was hungry and lonely. He cried for help. His mother came back with a fish. She held the fish just out of his reach. The young seagull wanted to eat it badly. To get the fish, the young seagull had to jump off the cliff. He was scared, but hunger gave him courage. He started to fall. Suddenly, he spread his wings and began to fly. The wind lifted him up gently. His family cheered and flew near him. They were proud of him. The young seagull felt happy and brave. Now he knew he could fly easily. His wings were strong. He was ready for many adventures in the sky.